In today's video, we're going to explore an important concept in Python programming, arrays as lists. Now, Python doesn't have a built-in array data type, but it has a powerful alternative known as lists that can function just like arrays in other languages. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to work with lists, manipulate their elements, and access data efficiently. First off, let's talk about lists. In Python, a list is a versatile, ordered collection of elements, and it's one of the most commonly used data structures. You can store any type of data inside a list, whether it's numbers, strings, or even other lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change, add, or remove elements after the list has been created. In this example, we have a list called fruits. We access the elements by their index, where 0 is the first element and 2 is the third. Lists in Python can also be modified. You can change an element at a specific index, like below, we changed banana to kiwi. You can also add and remove elements easily, as we will see shortly. You can add elements to the end of the list using the append method. If you want to remove an element, you can use the del statement or the remove method. As we mentioned earlier, elements are accessed via their index. The index starts at 0 for the first element and increments by 1 for each subsequent element. Notice how we access the first two elements in the list. But did you know you can also access elements from the end of the list using negative indices? Here, -1 refers to the last element and -2 refers to the second to last. You can also access a range of elements using slicing. This retrieves a sublist, starting from index 1 up to, but not including, index 3. Now, let's talk about iterating through the elements of a list. This is especially useful when you want to perform operations on each element. The easiest way to do this is with a for loop. This loop iterates over each element in the fruits list and prints it. You can also use the range function to iterate through elements by index, but using the direct loop over elements, like this, is generally more Pythonic and easier to read. If you need both the index and the value, you can use the enumerate function. Here, the loop returns both the index and the value of each element. Let's talk about getting the length of a list. The lay function is used to get the number of elements in a list. The lay function gives us the number of elements in the list. It's a very common function when working with lists. Next, let's see how to delete elements from a list. There are several ways to remove elements, depending on your needs. You can use the del statement to delete an element by index. Here, we deleted the element at index 1, which was banana. Alternatively, you can use the remove method to delete the first occurrence of a specific value. Or, if you want to remove an element and also get its value, use the pop method. Pop removes and returns the element at a specific index. If no index is provided, it removes and returns the last element. Python lists come with a variety of built-in methods that help us work with arrays more effectively. Let's go through some of the most commonly used methods. Append adds an element to the end of the list. Extend adds multiple elements from another list to the end of the current list. Insert inserts an element at a specified index. Remove removes the first occurrence of a specified element. Pop removes and returns an element at a specific index. Sort sorts the list in ascending order. Reverse reverses the order of the elements in the list. Practice exercise. What is a defining characteristic of arrays in Python? Arrays in Python can hold elements of different data types. Python lists serve as arrays, and with their built-in methods, you can easily manipulate, access, and modify data. Lists are incredibly versatile, whether you're working with numbers, strings, or even other lists.